So, hey everybody, welcome to another Friday along the way. This spot is near and dear to my heart because I live just up the road and I pass this almost every day. It is a work in progress. Without further ado, we are here at Carrick Furnace. Uh, I don't know a whole lot about the history of this place. And forgive me for the wind, it's pretty windy today, so I hope you can hear this okay. But Carrick Furnace, I pass this about every day. Years ago, it was barely even visible. Then they cleaned it up a bit. And then the last few years here, the Path Valley Historic Society, I believe it is, has really been digging and cleaning and fixing this up. So they're really making this furnace, bringing it back to more of its original state. It's a work in progress. So I wanted to show it to you now, and then whenever it's completed, if I'm still around, I'm going to show you this when it's completed. But I'll see if I can find some before pictures and old pictures, whatever I can find on the history I'll bring up here. But here is a little bit of the history. Built in 1828, Samuel Dunn. Was converted from coal to hot blast in 1879. Operation ceased 1884 to 1885. Carrick and little over an acre was deeded to the Historic Society. February 26, 2020, historic site was deeded to Path Valley Historic Society. Historic landmark, July 9th, 2010. Historic places. So the furnace was built in 1828, but let's look around here at all the cool stuff. You can see they're redoing this big iron tank here. Maybe we can go around and take a look. Take a look at the furnace. You can see inside the tank. Hello in there. But they are really doing an awesome job here, working on this, fixing things up. Can we see up through? Can we see up through the furnace? Look at that. Can you all see up there? I'll spin you around. Can we see? Can we see through the top? I can't tell from here. But very neat. Very neat. Now let's take a walk. Let's take a walk and see some of the things up around the side. I have been to a lot of old furnaces in Pennsylvania, but I have never seen one with this much stuff still attached to it. Look at that. Weimer Brothers 1879, Lebanon, PA. Look at that. And every once in a while I'll read a local article where they have dug something up cool here, and we're excited to find cool things from the old furnace days. Wow, pretty amazing. Look at it, lots of detail. Look at that. The old furnace doors. Wow. Very, very, very neat. Wow. I don't even know what to show you. There's so much cool stuff here. But can you imagine when they get this all complete? Wow. I mean, you don't see this anywhere else. Look around the corner here, and you can see we're storing stuff up here. I don't want to get to messing around too much because it's a work in progress. But wow. That old wooden beam there, they are doing a good job. Yeah. Well, like I said, I pass this nearly every day, so I see little things done here and there as it comes along. But who knows how long it'll be till they get this completed. But I want to thank those that are working on this. If you see this video, thank you very much for restoring these old places. Look at that. And then up there, look at that old stone wall. There you can see a old stone wall up there back in the day. And I don't know if they'll clean all this out and we'll have a race to it or not. Hard to tell what will be here when they get it completed. Might as well walk up here while we're at it. Yeah. Different view. We'll head back down here. Anyway, it's cold and windy out here, so I just wanted to show you this while it was like this, and hopefully a year or two from now they will be complete and I can show you a completed furnace site here. Anyway, I think that's going to do it already for this Friday along the way. Thank you all for coming along. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.